Hi everyone, welcome to our HTML course. I am Komal Singh Chauhan and I will be guiding you through the basics. We will learn how to structure content for websites. So get ready. First of all, I would like to tell you, I will not do this entire HTML course in one video. I will make small videos in which I will explain each topic so that it is easy for you to understand. But before making that video, I want to let you know which topic we are going to cover. Let me tell you a little about them. Then after that, in small videos, we will learn about each topic in detail and what are we going to do with it. So let's see which topic we will read. So here we will see how we can create a website with the help of HTML. So welcome to our first video lecture where we will explore what is all HTML is about and its role in web development. Then after that, we will see how our web works. We will see how we send requests and how they understand our request and respond to us. Then in the next video lecture, I will tell you one by one all the steps on how to download and install VS Code for your web development. And after downloading and installing it, you will get many free extensions inside it that will help you in writing HTML code. Will be of great help. Once you understand the code, you will not need to write the entire code yourself every time because all those free autocode extensions are already available in our VS Code. So in this video lecture, I will cover all these things. Then after that, we will overview the basic structure of HTML and why we use doc type, why do we use HTML tag, why do we use head and body tag. I will explain all this. I will tell you about tags and attribute, what they are with practical examples. So there is no need to be afraid because we will understand each and every topic from zero with practical examples. Then in the next video lecture, we will learn about HTML element. We have some common elements and we will learn how to use them. After that, we will look at self-closing tag. What is the purpose of this tag and how do they look? So we will learn about HTML formatting as well, like it is clear from the name how we can keep the formatting of our text. And by using formatting tags, we can format it as per our choice. Like some of the examples are given here on the screen of formatting tag as well as common element. Like common element, we have heading, paragraph, list, link. And examples of formatting tag, we have strong, EM, U, strong, like how can we make our text bold, emphasize, underline. So these all are the examples given here, but we will do with practical examples. Then we have heading and paragraph. So in the next lecture, we will look heading and paragraph tags in HTML. So we have tags for heading from H1 to H6. We will see their use cases and how we can use them. And then we have paragraph tags, which are basically used to write a paragraph. So don't get bored. Right now, I am just giving an overview about HTML. And after this, we will pick up each particular topic and then make a video on that topic with practical implementation. And when we do things with practical implementation, we will automatically start enjoying coding, isn't it? But before that, let's see the few slides that are left to tell what I'm going to teach. So in the next video lecture, we will learn about comments and entities. We will see how to write comment properly and understand the different uses of entity in a straightforward way. Then next, we will cover fancy text formatting in the upcoming lecture, learning ways to make our text look better and more advanced. Then we will explore the uses of div and span element for organizing contact information. Additionally, we will learn how to apply CSS to these elements for a better presentation. Then in next class, we will learn about semantic element like header, footer, nav, main, and their importance, why they are important in making our web content clear and meaningful. Then we will learn about forms, why they matter. We will also explore basic form elements like text, input, password, radio button, and checkboxes, and why they are important, how they are important in web development. Then in our next class, we will learn about anchor tag. These tags help create link to both external website and internal pages. I will briefly show you how we use attribute to make these link work. Then in the next video lecture, we will learn how to put picture on a web page using HTML. We will use the image tag and understand how to use the source attribute to tell the browser where to find the image. Also, we will see why it is important to add alternative text using the alt attribute. Then, in the upcoming video lecture, we will explore HTML list. There are two main types, unordered list and order list. Unordered list which use bullets, whereas order list which use number. I will show you practical example and explain their use cases. Then we will learn about HTML tables. We will explore how to create tables using tag like table, tr, th, and td. I will also show you how to make tables look nice using CSS. Then in the next video lecture, I will explain HTML iframe and their purpose in embedding external content. We will go over the iframe tag and how to use attribute like source and height for customization. I will tell you that also. Then last part is conclusion. So in our concluding session, we will recap all the topic we covered in this HTML course, from fundamental tags and document structure to creating links, adding images, constructing lists and tables, and understanding iframes for embedding external content. This recap will solidify your understanding of HTML essentials and prepare for you for your web development journey. So here our PPT explanation is, and now we will take each topic of understand them with practical implementation and learn how to create website structure. Hope you have a great time and a lot of fun. It's exciting to think about how you are on your way to learning web development. So thank you so much.